Today, 26th November 2020, we are celebrating Constitutional Day. Constitutional Day has gained the value and importance from last few years. It was celebrated and it was in the form of a celebration, but the celebration of Constitutional Day nowadays has got a separate value and importance in the civil society of India, particularly when there is a repercussions, side effects and reactions to the Constitution, directly or indirectly. Maker of Constitution, their intention is different. Destroying of Constitution or not accepting the Constitution is a different matter. These two things are going parallel. Now, particularly in India, the majority is backwards and Dalits. Dalits who are regarded as socially, economically, educationally and financially, educationally backward. There are some nations and communities all over the world that because of their religion or faith they are having some holy books like Bhagavad Gita, Ramayana, Mahabharata, Bible, Quran and 6 holy book, Granth Sahib. Every community is having some written constitution or written commands, but Dalits Bhai and the backwards have no written constitution or any written material as in the form of guidelines and commandment to them. Indian Constitution rightly can be regarded as the holy book of Dalits and backwards. Even though if I go ahead of inch by saying that this is a weapon in the hands of Dalits and backwards in the present day situation from all over India and outside India, in the name of democracy, there are many undemocratic activities are going universally. I am thankful to the framer of the Constitution and the maker of the Constitution, particularly the head chairman of the Constitution, Babasaheb Bhimrao Ambedkar, who has gathered the information, material and written the Indian Constitution. I will salute this man, because when there is a repercussion, reaction and side effects to the Constitution in the form of a Citizens Amendment Act, NPR or NCR, NRC, within India there is a protest, and this protest has gained the universal acceptability, and particularly in America, American people are also having some ideas toward this Citizenship Amendment Act. When this Citizenship Amendment Act has gained the universal acceptability in India, particularly, we came to know that even though there is a constitution in America, but in American Constitution there is no word what has Babasaheb Bhimrao enshrined in the Indian Constitution, that is equality. There is no word in the when there is no word in the American Constitution like what Baba Ambedkar has enshrined in the Indian Constitution, equality. America is regarded as strategically, economically a superpower. When America is regarded as strategically and economically superpower, this superpower has not got such a constitution what India has got. It is because of Baba Sahib Bhimrao Ambedkar. Indian constitution has to be protected. Indian constitution has to be safeguarded. This is the only material in India that will protect the whole country as well as the citizens and natives of India. Reactions and repercussions are in such a manner that if by mistake or by some other reason any law has been made, that law, if implemented, if possibly implemented, that will go against the basic structure and constitution of India, Indian constitution. Basic structure one should not change. This is guaranteed by Baba Sahib Bhimrao Ambedkar while writing and framing the Indian constitution. We the people of India, now again I will say, we the people of India, it is our responsibility to protect the constitution what has been framed by the Baba Sahib Bhimrao Ambedkar. Now the time has come from all the corners of the society, civil society in India, one should have a common factor, a common sense and a like-mindedness to protect and safeguard the interest and basic structure of the constitution.